I'm at one of my favorite places, JT's Bagels. We're gonna make some bagel pizzas for dinner. It's an excellent way to give everybody a little bit of what they want. Their bagels are delicious. Let's go inside and pick some out. All right, so we are here at JT's Bagels. Lots of yummy choices. For a pizza night, I highly suggest the onion, the garlic, the everything, the cheese, the tomato. You know what? Any of them would be good. So get to JT's, grab yourself a couple bagels, and then I'll show you how to make some fabulous pizzas that'll also make your family happy because they won't be fighting about who wants what. They all get their own. So we have our fabulous JT's Bagels, and we've got a nice assortment here. We've got some wheat, we've got a regular cheese, we've got the jalapeno and cheese, we've got garlic, we've got a poppy seed, and we have a tomato basil. I'm very excited about that. And the really cool part about these bagel pizzas is there's none of that fighting of, oh, I want this on my pizza. Oh, I hate that. Everybody gets to make their own the way they want it. And what's even better, maybe you like two kinds of pizzas. Maybe you kind of like white sauce and you kind of like red sauce. And you have to decide. When you got bagel pizzas, you don't have to decide. You can have both. So we're gonna grab our toppings and we're gonna put some pizzas together. On our garlic bagels, the guys have kind of went all out. There's a little bit of everything on there. Katie chose a cheese bagel with a white sauce and ham and pineapple. She's kind of got the Hawaiian thing going on. Did you have onion on there too or not? And onion. Okay, and with the tomato basil, I stuck pretty basic because I like pretty basic. I got a red sauce with just some onion and some fresh basil from out in our little container garden. So we are going to pop these in the oven. And one thing I did forget to tell you is that you might want to pop these in the toaster oven for just a couple minutes before you actually put the sauce on them. It keeps the sauce from kind of making your bagel mushy. So toast them a little bit, put your sauce on, your toppings, and then we're going to put them back in our toaster oven, or you could use your regular oven, and we're going to broil them up. Which is really nice if it's a hot day. If you use a toaster oven, then you don't have to heat up your whole kitchen. So another bonus prize, yay. So the guys chose to load up their bagels. They have just about everything on their garlic bagels. Katie went with a cheese bagel with a white sauce and some ham and pineapple on her first one, and on this one she's got it loaded down. And with both of mine, I chose the tomato basil bagel with just some red sauce, some cheese, and some onion. I'm keeping it simple. And over here we have our finished product from the first round, and so we're going to serve up some salad and we're going to have some bagel pizzas. Get your family together, head out to JT's, grab yourself some delicious bagels for breakfast and grab some extras to make pizzas for dinner, and have a family fun night making your own pizzas. We'll see you Monday for the Monday menu. Have a good weekend. We'll see you real soon.